Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying what your headphones actually support, because Xbox Series X does not natively stream Bluetooth audio. If your headset is Xbox wireless, pair directly to the console. Otherwise, grab a compatible USB or 3.5mm Bluetooth transmitter. Once you have the adapter, power the headphones and put them in pairing mode, then plug the transmitter into the console USB port or into the controller's 3.5mm jack. This gets the hardware talking, so the console can. Once the transmitter and headset are blinking as paired, make sure the Xbox recognizes the device. Turn on your console and go to Settings, then General, then Volume and Audio Output. Select the headset output and choose stereo uncompressed for standard Bluetooth dongles or the matching option for your adapter. Make sure you adjust the headset and chat mixer levels so game sound and voice balance correctly. Also update the controller and adapter firmware if prompted. That resolves many connection quirks. Finish by testing audio in-game and in a party to confirm both game sound and chat pass-through. If you hear no audio or muffled sound, repair the headset, ensure the transmitter has power, and confirm the console output is set to your adapter. Make sure the controller firmware and adapter firmware are current. One key troubleshooting tip: if Bluetooth latency or dropouts persist, try a wired connection or the Xbox mobile app for chat, because standard Bluetooth can be unreliable on Xbox hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.